North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum today informed that he had submitted a memorandum to the Secretary of the Education Department, Swapnil Tembe, seeking clarification on the recruitment process of assistant professors and lecturers in government colleges across Meghalaya. He alleged that the recruitment procedure currently being followed does not align with the policy laid out by the Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board, which, according to him, prescribes a 1:2.5 ratio.
Amala Shamtio Nadu Southri Kandon ka interview na conduct kerpang na kapantaki lecturer post to many different colleges. Di lehro ni Nongrum ngawan kedu yun mga yo complain ni babur ki candidate kindon ke jibun kemno ka satisfaction mo amar ba kamong transparent bat ka igijing ko akadi bari manong fair and transparent agar recruitment process mo. Jadi kalau tanori mau nikuduk tasi yo Swapnil Tembe uri YS berjuang for Secretary of Education mansik clarification buat ban bu demand kaman sini. Nomor pi kum ka recruitment kum ka Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board kadap keren syai kedar ba kansim yakni ki kan fill up yakni ki post dekat candidate kum ka 1:2:5 no kani kadai naki lalong arbanta plus shiteng no arbanta shiteng ti 2.5 matrai borok ni sutu kani ti pi kani kadai ka post jogini ki subject ke physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, biochemistry, commerce. Begini kita post ke bangala pun show I sampul ke wei. Desi komunika number of vacancy jongka physics kadi arpinyo di post. Di kat bakan number of candidate ke bah shortlisted. Mo ki kat ko mujing pau ni kadi saupuan. Di ndrai ke jingkali pat ke bangi hapan narangi kadai kecing pemia lembaga 2.5 mo di terkadang mawan pan kecing syai now Secretary Education nomor kecing sisa kadai bandai ndru pukra 67.5 candidate kadai ban shortlist mo ban shortlist tendai yang di kumbaka pau kadai tak saupuah naka ndru punyo kiwi du jong chemistry kadai artinyo tuli ki vacancy kadba ka shortlisted candidate part kadai saupulai kejing sisa kadai rupnyo 0.5 midokam ya kaban make a proper selection part kadai bandon ru ka fair in recruitment process kanang bakandon kejing hun part kabaar ne ko pan pau ru ni ki ngapu ta kejing kali bakam transparent mak ko bakalong ngani ka Meghalaya recruitment joka police ki marks ki jongki ki score marks jongki ki display ya bagi display tu muki i mau bagi don kecing hon kita ki candidate ki buyo bang yo dengan buru kecing kali banga seek clarification now education secretary babale kam don ka marks of display makan niru kadai bang bu kecing dawa badai bandon ka marks of display ba ki immediately untuk apa ni agak level jongka DHT the director technical DHT director ayah technical ini skam di kandon ka kandon ka rectification mo nang ba kandon don kajing gunong kam tap ni ha ka ba kun sama ki don ko marka no ko bati price no ani sim no ko chongki kani kadi ko ba mawan pa pas ma